Hello guys, welcome my new video. Today I wanna open this old keyboard with you. Let's go. We have to take some screwdriver and begin open all. I do this because I wanna check if there are some way to save the screw, the tape, the cap, and maybe a part of the keyboard software. Because one of my wish is create a little secondary keyboard like the Steam Deck Elgato, what costs so much money. I wanna check if it's possible that is only with a part of another keyboard. I don't think it's possible because surely I imagine this all is on a piece of circuit, and this means I can't take only one part and use with the cable. For this I wanna check this is a project, fucking project. We try. If not is possible, no problem. I was coming to trash this keyboard anyway because it sucks. Okay, I'll open. This open. Open. This no. We have so much screw now. Anyway, I think someone also opened it because here there are a secret screw show it under this sticker, this label. Okay, interesting. So guys, this is the keyboard circuit. When we click this here and make the connection and send a signal, maybe we can use it again. But I have to understand two things. What of this circuit is important for us? Because if there is a click, I think it's a question about two cables. Now I have to understand if like this cable are only in one part. This is the connection here. We have connection here, we have connection here, and here. Okay, this is 4 connections. No, this is not 4, more. 4 here. 1, 2, yeah, 4 connections. Yeah, but are 2 layers. One layer have one connection and another layer have another cable. This can be a problem. Example, I wanna use this cable, no? This cable go on here, but some cable go also here. Not easy really used to understand this. Can be a big problem. Example this go here, go here, go here. 1, 2, 1. 1 and 2 are here, this. And go. Go here, go here, go here, go here. No, guys, this pass for all the circuit. And it's a problem. We moved all cape, fuck. Okay, this is the first keyboard, but anyway, there are the problem, this connection here. Okay, no, might be, I understand, guys. This connection are only for this type here. So this means maybe it's possible use only this type. This cap only with this part, maybe. Here, one, go here. Here, go here. Yeah, and finish here. But there are the problem, because under, inside there are another connection. Example, this. I see go also here. This confused me so much. I think I have to in plan to try cut apart, but there are a possibility that if I cut here, if there are some cable what pass here and this are return, can all not work, because not are command direct. These are two cables, one go, one return. When we click the cape, there are a connection from two cape, but I don't know if all cape have a negative connection or all cape have a different connection. Can be dangerous, but I wanna try anyway. Okay, so I will cut apart, guys. I wanna save only this part of the keyboard. This part is the number part. Here we have only the keypad with number, enter, cancel, and I wanna save this part. No, we have to try cut here. So I need a scissor. Okay, let's go scissor. Okay, guys, I take the scissor. So now we will cut this part. Okay, I must be careful because these are two layers. have reordered the card. Okay, we can grab this. Okay. Okay, now we can close it again. Actually, we will only try. If work, I will cut this part of keyboard and will save only this. If not work, it's only trash. Not the cable? What? Okay. Okay, now we will connect only this part. But it does not work. Fuck, not this too. We have different screw. This is okay. Okay, this is okay. Okay. And now this. Okay guys, this part is okay. This I think will work. No, this part not is okay, but no problem, because if all work I will cut this and I will save this and this. If this not work, no problem. If this work, perfect, because I will save this part to use like second cable. I will cut this part if all work. Okay, we have to try now. Near a computer. Ah fuck. What the fuck is this shit? Oh no. This shit don't have USB port. Holy fuck. I forgot this. Anyway, this I think I can adapt it. Okay, let's try guys. Perfect. This computer what I use in my studio, all their support this port. Nice. Okay guys, I connected the keyboard. Windows is loading and now we can try. Okay, now I will open some random file text. Okay, now I have make new. No, we can try here, no problem. Guys, look, not working. Maybe some I try connect better the cable. Maybe I don't connected it good. Okay, let's see again. Nothing, guys. Guys, I think this shit is like I was thinking. It's all apart together. If you broken on part or not work. No problem, guys. Was all the shield anyway. Not have a USB connector, and I think I was not able to use it with my first computer, where I have gaming and editing setup. Anyway, guys, this was a experience with some old shit. I will save the cape and I will throw all away. Bye bye. Thanks for watching.